So one of the first items that I got is the Jujube BFF in the Commodore print from their Legacy collection. And at first I was gonna get a Skip Hop diaper bag, and you know everybody has a Skip Hop because it's affordable. And hi my sunshine, thank you guys so much for tuning in to this video, and it's awesome to be back. Here I am unboxing a Jujube in the B set, and this is in the print, the Commodore print, and this is from their Legacy collection. So it has the gold hardware on it, and it comes in 3 pieces. So you have the large, which is in the first mate print, the medium, which is in the Admiral print, and then you have the small set piece, which is in the first mate print. So there's 3 pieces in total, and in the medium set piece it comes with a strap, which is in the first mate, and then in the large it comes with a strap that's in the Admiral print. So that's 3 pieces in total, and there's a video coming up after this. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you will continue to watch. Hi my sunshines, it's been a while. I haven't forgot about you guys, and I did not abandon you guys. I've just been sick. I was diagnosed with hyperemesis gravidarum, if that's how you pronounce it. It's a severe form of morning sickness, and I've never had it before. And I think that if I'd had hyperemesis in my first pregnancy, I would have only had 2 children, because my first pregnancy, they were twins. I'd have only had 2 children, because no one can pay me to do this again. It's literally hell. Like, it's literally hell. I'm not even going to speak my mind on it. It's literally hell. My first week of feeling better, I feel good. I feel amazing. I feel back to my old self. I can eat. I lost 17 pounds. Can't really tell, but I lost 17 pounds. You can tell my bones are starting to, just a little bit. I could have stand to lose at least 50, maybe 100 pounds. I would have taken that. But anyways, baby's healthy. Baby's good. We found out the gender a week ago. We found out the gender of the baby a week ago. And yeah, we're gonna do a gender reveal. And videos should be back to their regular schedule. I should be putting up a video every week. The most. Yeah. So, but anyways, I just wanted to show you guys what I've been up to and what I've been doing. So yeah, I've been buying a lot of stuff for baby. Jaxson wants to say hi to you guys. Say hi, sunshines.
Hi.
Handsome little fella, huh? He's getting big. He's no longer my baby. Are you having a baby? Are you going to be a big brother? Yes? You're no longer going to be the baby? Say, see you later. Alright, go watch your Paw Patrol. Let me do this video. Go, so I can spend some time with you. So, one of the first items that I got is the Jujube BFF in the Commodore print from their Legacy collection. And at first I was going to get a Skip Hop diaper bag. And you know, everybody has a Skip Hop because it's affordable. And no, I decided to go with this. At first I was a little hesitant because of the price on it, because of the price point, or because of the price, whatever. This bag originally retails for $170, give or take. And I found it on Amazon. And if you guys don't know about Amazon warehouse deals, you should definitely go check it out. You can find amazing deals on there. So there was nothing wrong with this bag. There's no cuts, there's no tears, it's a practically brand new bag. But the only problem was the package that it came in was damaged. So I got it. And you guys can go look on YouTube. There's a whole bunch of videos on this bag. You know, change pad, you know, the mommy pocket, the bottle pocket on the side, and the big old pocket and the media pocket. So this has a lot of organization inside the bag. One of the reasons why I got it. And to go with the bag, I got a Be Quick in the Admiral print. And it just looks like this. Got a Posse Pod in the First Mate print. Just look like that. And the bag is in the Commodore. If I haven't said, this is two styles put together. And then I got a B set that just has the large, the medium, and the small. And I couldn't just stop there. I got another B set. That's the large, the medium, and the small. So 6 pieces. Some of those pieces I got from the Amazon warehouse deal, so I didn't pay full prices for those because you know me, I don't pay full price for things. And I got this Snack Happen mini reusable snack and everything bag. They're the Itsy Ritsy bags, and I got this from Nordstrom for, I believe, $6.97. These are originally $13. I got some boogie wipes. I got some Baby Organics natural insect repellent. I got some Honest Company hand sanitizer spray. CP Pal, and I got it at a really good steal, so that's why I got that. And I got a wet bag, but I don't know where it is. I think my husband put it away somewhere. I gotta find it. So, and I bought clothes, but I can't show you guys the clothes because then you're gonna figure out what gender the baby is, and the diaper bag has nothing to do with the gender. It's very gender neutral, and even though it's a summer bag, I have another diaper bag coming, but I can't show you guys that diaper bag because that diaper bag will give away what the baby is. So I will show you guys all that stuff that I bought after the gender reveal. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I promise I will be back. I promise. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.